Disney, the orange bird. So I've seen the orange bird around Disney World all the time, stickers and I don't know, stuffed animals, but I've never understood what the orange bird was. I got this from the library to read about it. Written by Jason Grandt and Scott Tilley. Probably illustrated as well. Welcome to Florida. Says Florida is the home of beautiful beaches, space-age rocket ships, and the Sunshine Tree. Let me see that. Oh, there's Disney World. Let's see, what else do we see? The Capitol. And then there's Cape Canaveral, I think. Maybe that's in Texas. What's the Sunshine Tree? It's an orange tree unlike any other. Not just because its oranges are the tastiest, but because it's the home of our new friend, the orange bird. Who is the orange bird? A farmer once asked that question too. I've never seen a bird like you before, said the farmer, and he had all kinds of birds at his farm. The orange bird had leaves for wings and an orange for a head. But what really made him different was the fact that he couldn't sing, chirp, or whistle. Instead, the orange bird made pictures above his head in an orange cloud like magic. The farmer's other birds couldn't make pictures over their heads. They couldn't even draw pictures. Luckily, the orange bird could teach them. Every day, the birds helped the farmer. They checked all his oranges to see if they were round, plump, juicy, and perfect for picking. When the birds were done, the farmer loaded his truck, put his cat, Clementine, in the house, and then took his oranges to the market. Once the birds' work was finished, it was playtime. Swimming in the pond, riding the goats, eating citrus swirls. While the birds had fun outside, Clementine sat inside the house and watched. She didn't want to play with the birds. She wanted to catch them. One day, Clementine got her chance. The farmer had left a window open. Clementine leapt for a bird, and with her paws and claws outstretched, she managed to nab it mid-flight. The birds squawked for help, but the other birds were scared of Clementine. She was big, strong, and mean. The orange bird knew he had to do something. He was afraid, but his friend needed help. So he gathered all his courage and sprang into action. He made a picture of a big stop sign appear above his head. Clementine only hissed and knocked him away. The orange bird thought maybe a growling dog would scare the cat off. But Clementine ignored that too. Then he had an idea. A big one. The orange bird made his biggest picture yet. It was a picture of the farmer. Clementine knew it was fake, but then the picture suddenly yelled, "Clementine!" To everyone's surprise, the real farmer stepped through the cloud and grabbed Clementine. "That's no way to treat your friends, Clementine," he said. As the farmer put Clementine back in the house, all the birds cheered for the orange bird. He had saved the day. But our new friend, with an orange for a head and leaves for wings, would be everyone's friend forever. I guess that really didn't explain the orange bird. Maybe he's a mascot for Florida oranges? Good night. I love you.